So we're back with Geneva. So what are we making today?
We're making muffins with apples.
Okay, great. Let's begin. We are going to pour the sugar with the oil, 2 eggs, and some vanilla extract. And then we're going to use a hand mixer to blend it all together. In another bowl, we are going to whisk together our favorite ingredient, right? What is this ingredient? LYNQ. So we're going to put a tablespoon of LYNQ. This one has no flavor, so it doesn't alter the taste of anything that you're baking because it's got no flavor, but it's giving you those extra nutrients and vitamins from fruits and vegetables. Everyone should have it in their pantry. It's like having flour, sugar, you have LYNQ. So we're going to put baking soda. We're going to add flour, gluten-free, all-purpose flour, salt, cinnamon. Now we're going to whisk it all together. Some of our cooking with LYNQ accessories are from Kizzy Pro, just like this whisk. Add the dried ingredients now to the wet ingredients. We combined the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, and now we're going to mix it all together until it's well combined. The mixture is turning into like a dough, and a very thick dough, so I decided to do it with my hands. Listen.
But make sure you guys take every single spot.
That's right. Let's make sure that it's all mixed well together.
It looks like caramel.
It does. It actually looks like Play-Doh. Okay, how many of you used to play with Play-Doh and want to eat it?
Me.
Did you want to eat Play-Doh when you were a kid? Well, you're still a kid. Did you want to eat Play-Doh when you were a kid? Probably. Oh, I did.
I know, I only like the ones with the smell.
Exactly, and it smells so good that you want to eat it. So this is what this reminds me of. Once it's well mixed, we're going to add the apples. And then we're still going to mix it all together. So it's like a texture of like a cookie dough, and I guess now we're just gonna put them in the muffin tray. Okay, so then we're going to sprinkle some brown sugar generously on top of each muffin. And then we're going to pop them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350.
Try not to make them burn again.
Yes, like we did last time. We are going to taste these powdered apple cinnamon muffins. So, let's begin. Really good. What do you think? Thumbs up?
It's a success.
Success? Okay, great. Thank you all for watching the video. Make sure to like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and click the subscribe button below if you want to follow the rest of our LYNQ recipes. All of our LYNQ recipes are in our bio. If you want to purchase any of our LYNQ products, link is in our bio. Bye everyone. Geneva, I see you like the muffin. See you all next time.
Like the video for more.